filming from?
So anyway, I just keep pointing at me or what I'm pointing at on the bike.
Okay.
Right. This is
Can you see my shadow?
the review at 59.9 hours of the 2023 GASGAS EC 300. What I think of the bike, what I've done to the bike, what have you. And what I think of the bike is, this is the best bike you can get. Value for money especially. She's a beauty. Right, so what did we do? Bought this bike from Eurotech. If you want one of these, that's where you should go and buy one. They sort you out. They've always looked after me really well. Know what they're on about. Good people to deal with. So they've also done my suspension, set it up, revalved it for my weight and ability, I suppose. Lowered it at the back and put the bladder on for short legs. Then we've put on Raptor pegs, titanium pegs, not 5mm down or 5mm back, just standard because I prefer them. Disc guards, sump guards, these things, they just make it look better because I like it in black. The GASGAS comes with, everyone doesn't like the silver rims, but really they're not just silver rims. These rims are scratchless rims, so you can't tell when it's got scratches on. Now you might think, well, why have I put that rim tape on there? The reason for that is so people don't know that I've got scratchless rims. Less likely to get stolen. So yeah, silver rims are the future. Rolling on chromies, we love it. Oh, what a beauty aftermarket can. Because someone once told me, you aren't a man till you've had a better can. Bosh. Does that help performance? Nope. Does it make the bike run better? Not that I can tell. Does it look good? Yeah. Pussy strap, only one on the back. Don't have one on the front because we're all about no help zones. Gripper seat, lowered. Brilliant that, but always wear 2 pairs of kecks. It helps a lot with 2 pairs of kecks on. And then as well, if you get skid marks in one, you can just swap them over and wear the other pair again. It's fine. Got a fan. Eurotech put on. That's just to just warms your knee up sometimes if you're cold, you know. In here we have goggle rag, and you can see we have the hour meter on there and not up here because we've took the clock off. And then we have these like little lights on here. FI stands for God knows what does FI stand for. I was going to say fuel injection, but might stand for, that's what it stands for. We have this upside down because it makes this feel a bit better on the cockpit. We've got Brembo clutch, 9mm clutch on here, and a Brembo front brake master cylinder. The reason we've got that on is not just because they're better, but I broke that one and I didn't like not having the same, so I bought that one. And then you can use these S3 little mods on here as well, so all just looks nice up there. This guy on the front, again, scratchless rims, Michelin hard front tyre and mousse from EnduroTyres.com. You can see the EnduroTyres.com bar pad there. And I like the Michelin fronts and the Metzler soft rear. Hard front, soft rear. That's the way I like to run it. This brake, you don't need that. You could take that off if you don't want it, because it just makes you go slower. Why would you want to go slower? You just want to go faster. There's normally a thing on here that's come off, but they aren't going to put another one on because it'll just come off again. What's the point? Gearing is just however Eurotech told me to run it. They did it, they set it up, so just ask them, they know best. I always leave this on. Most people take that off. Tyres.com. Ring them up, get your tyres from them, they're the best people to get your tyres from. Awesome company. Because the mud splashes on your chain and then the chain drives all the mud through there. If you leave that on, if you ride through a lot of bogs, that's better. And again, running a front disc guard also, riding in mud saves your pads a lot. Thingy air filter, funnel web air filter. Oh, that's not supposed to be in there. That's obviously my friends from a recent trip thinking they're funny. But yeah, we run one of these funnel web filter things. Don't know why, just because I think it's because it looks better, even though you can't really see it in there. Dave! And then the best thing about this bike, which is, I'm gonna have to get Dave in first, because he's gonna go mental. Dave, you need to go in.
I'll get him in.
Come on, in. Dave, in.
Big Dave, no light bikes.
So the best thing about the GASGAS, or this particular GASGAS especially, is its reversing sensor. You ready? Here. Listen. Very trick. That's why you should all get GASGAS. She's a beauty. Yes. Man bike. What do you reckon? What'll I do?